Please excuse this hair and this face. I just got done with my workout. In case you're wondering what do I work out, you can go watch my previous video and you'll see exactly the things that I do. I actually worked out at home and didn't go outside, and you guys should stay inside too and try to stay safe and hygienic and try to social distance yourself from everything and everyone, and it just helps you and it also helps other people. So I hope you're all safe and sound. This is actually a very highly requested video, and a lot of you have been asking me for what I eat in a day video, and very rarely does this happen that I have to stay home the entire day. And now that it's all about quarantining yourself, we're all in our home, so I think this is the perfect time for me to push out this video. So this is a what I eat in a day video. So it's 10:30 in the morning right now and it's time for breakfast. So let me show you what I'm going to eat for breakfast. So I'll be making some avocado toast, and I have some multi-grain bread, avocado and eggs. I also made a cup of coffee, and this is what my breakfast looks like. Not the most presentable, but yeah, it works. I have some fried eggs, avocado and toasted multi-grain wheat bread for breakfast. Also, I forgot to mention, right after the workout I drank a glass of protein shake, just plain protein powder and water, and that's all I drank right after my workout. So I'm going to enjoy this meal and I'm going to see you for my next one. So I just got out of the shower. I washed my hair. Once I'm done with my shower, I am going to drink my daily super greens. So it's basically a fizzy tablet that you pour into a glass of water, and then it just turns into this green drink. It doesn't really taste of anything and it has a lot of good things. So I'm just going to drink a glass of this. I'm gonna go get ready and start working. Okay, so I'm not that hungry for lunch. That breakfast was super filling. I'm gonna have a little bit of zoodles with this spinach chicken that I already have prepared. So I like to batch prepare stuff. I'm actually going to link down the recipe that I used. I used a recipe that is for palak paneer actually, and then I just cooked the chicken separately and put it in the same sort of thing. So that recipe is so simple, it's so easy to make. So I just make it in batches so that, you know, I don't have to cook every day. So I'm just going to mix the zoodles in this and heat it in the microwave, and that's my lunch. So that's my lunch. It's zoodles with palak paneer slash chicken. Alright, so I've had a really productive day. It's time for dinner now. It's 7:45 and I generally eat soup for dinner. I usually like batch make chicken soup or something, but I don't really have soup today and I'm not that hungry. That lunch was very filling, and I also had green tea some time ago, I think around 4:35 in the evening. And right now for dinner I'm actually going to make something very light. It's actually breakfast, but I love eating it for dinner as well. Let me show you. So I have a little bit of Greek yogurt here, and I'm going to take some granola, just eyeballing it and pouring it in here. I think 2 handfuls is enough. And then I have chopped up some strawberries, and then there's blueberries that I'm gonna add to that. And that's it, and this is my dinner. So I try and eat dinner as early as possible, and I also try to sleep as early as possible. This is one of my favorite combos, and I'm not going to sleep immediately. I'll try not to lie down, but I might pass out in like the next hour or two, and then it's the same thing again. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope that this helps you. I keep it pretty simple, and if you've noticed, I don't snack at all. I've never been a snacker. You won't find any snacks in my house. I'm the snack in my house. But that was so lame. But yeah, that's usually what I eat. I don't really follow any particular diet. I just try and control my portion, and I also don't try to restrict myself from eating anything. That rarely ever works for me. If I try to stop myself from eating anything, I mean, I would want that even more. But I try and include like lots of veggies and fruits in my diet, and I try to drink as much water as possible, at least a minimum of 3 liters of water a day. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below, and I'd love to help you guys out. Whatever I have shown in this video will be linked down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will go back to eating my dinner now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.